Have you ever heard a rumor so crazy that you had to stop and catch your breath? The leaks we are seeing right now for the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro are not just small incremental updates. They represent a total hostile takeover of the entire professional drone market. We are talking about advanced hardware that was, until this very moment, physically impossible to fit into a palm-sized frame. The whole drone industry is currently in a state of absolute shock. Why is everyone freaking out right now? Let me tell you exactly why. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is rumored to be the very first drone under 250 grams to feature a true 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. And it gets even better. This massive sensor is paired with a mechanical variable aperture. Let that sink in for a second. For the first time in history, drone pilots in the US, the UK, and across Europe will be able to fly a drone that easily bypasses those strict and annoying registration laws. At the same time, it will deliver the exact same dynamic range as the massive and expensive Mavic 3 series. Yes, we know the Mini 5 Pro brought us a 1-inch sensor, but that older model was severely limited by a fixed aperture. You were stuck with what you had. The new Mini 6 Pro is reportedly smashing right through that barrier. According to highly reliable supply chain leaks coming straight out of Shenzhen, DJI has somehow managed to miniaturize the mechanical iris mechanism. We are looking at a true variable aperture ranging from f1.7 all the way to f11. If you are a Part 107 certified pilot in the US or a high-end creator anywhere else in the world, you know the absolute struggle of swapping out ND filters. Every single time the sun peeks through the clouds, you have to land your drone. You have to change the tiny glass filter. It completely ruins the flow of your shoot. With the Mini 6 Pro, you can finally control your exposure mid-flight. This allows for that perfect, buttery cinematic motion blur without the endless hassle. This is not just a toy or a basic mini drone anymore. It is a true flying cinema camera. The pure processing power required to handle 5.1K video at 60 frames per second in a body this incredibly small is absolutely immense. To make this happen, DJI is expected to debut the Ki-Core 4.0 image processing engine right inside the Mini 6 Pro. This absolute powerhouse of a chip allows for an incredible 14 stops of dynamic range. That puts this tiny little drone neck with professional ground cameras that cost thousands of dollars more. For those of you in premium markets who demand the absolute best color grading flexibility, the leaks are bringing great news. They officially confirmed 10-bit color and HLG profiles across all frame rates. This means your bright sunlight shots over the Grand Canyon or the snowy peaks of the Swiss Alps will have perfect highlight retention. That kind of rich visual data was previously only possible with heavy drones that were twice the size and double the weight. Now, let us talk about the cutting-edge tech that is going to keep your hard-earned investment completely safe in the sky. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to take the LiDAR technology introduced in the previous generation and turn it all the way up to the maximum level. We are looking at 360-degree Nightscape LiDAR. Just think about that for a moment. Most normal drones struggle with obstacle avoidance the exact moment the sun goes down. Their vision sensors get easily confused in the dark. The Mini 6 Pro fixes this massive problem completely. It uses advanced laser-based sensing to literally see in total darkness. Whether you are tracking a fast car through a dense dark forest at dusk or navigating tight urban canyons in New York City at midnight, this drone creates a highly accurate real-time 3D map of its surroundings. This advanced mapping makes the drone virtually uncrashable. It works perfectly even in pitch-black environments where traditional vision sensors would completely fail and send your expensive drone crashing into a tree. So, the big question on everyone's mind is, when can you actually get your hands on this beast? Based on DJI's historical release cycles and the current manufacturing leaks coming straight out of the overseas factories, we are looking at an official announcement in late 2026. The pricing strategy is expected to remain premium, but incredibly competitive for the hardware you are getting. We anticipate the base unit to start right around $899. If you want the full package, the Fly More combo, which includes the brilliant new RC3 controller, should hit the $1199 mark. Now, while that price tag might seem a little steep, for a so-called mini drone, you really have to remember what you are actually buying here. In my honest opinion, this is the most exciting piece of technology to hit the camera market in years. You are not just buying a small recreational drone anymore. You are essentially buying a Mavic 3 Pro that easily fits right inside your winter jacket pocket. The sheer value of having a 1-inch sensor with a mechanical variable aperture, combined with a 60-minute flight time and Nightscape LiDAR, makes this the absolute ultimate tool for modern creators. It completely redefines what a solo filmmaker can do out in the field. And best of all, it gives you top-tier professional quality without requiring an annoying permit or an expensive license to fly in most areas. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another update.